Welcome to this new video. Today we'll show you step by step how to withdraw money from the LSSC platform easily. First, after logging into your LSSC account, go to the top corner and click on the three sidelines menu icon. A menu will appear, and among the options, you'll find Withdraw. The second method, you can also click on the My section on the left side, and there you'll see your profile, where you'll also find the Withdraw option. You will then see a section called Wallet Address. Once you open it, you'll find three types of addresses: USDT Biology, USDT, TRC, USDC. Here, you need to copy your wallet address from the app or platform you want to withdraw your money to. For example, Binance or Trust Wallet, and make sure it matches the correct network, e.g., TRC20. Paste the address into the designated field in the LSSC platform. After pasting the address, click on Configuration or Confirm Setup. And just like that, your withdrawal address is successfully set. Next, you can go back to the Withdraw section, select the amount, and confirm the withdrawal process. Congratulations! The transaction was successful, and your money will arrive shortly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.